Hello, are you the goat that welcomes us to the Reserva Park? I'm Karma Paul, nice to meet you. Is the entrance that way? Thank you. See you later. So we've just arrived in La Reserva. What a Larry drive. We're just parking here and we're just going to get all the packed lunch stuff out. This is one place I've never been to on the island, La Reserva. Apparently it's the only nature reserve. And we're in the middle of the Tramuntana Mountains, not far from Punyan. So let's go. Walking into a Reserva Park and the first thing you see is a goat. God. Look at the goat. Looks fantastic, living nature. The only nature reserve in Mallorca. Hello. Hello. So they've obviously got the friendly goat to welcome you to Reserva Park, because this one's just coming towards Abby and Mia. How cute's that? That is so cute.
35-40 minutes walking from here to the main area. Okay?
Right.
There is an activity here that we call toka toka. It
Right.
means you can touch some of the animals
Ah,
and
okay.
feed them. Okay?
Okay.
At 2 p.m. 2 p.m.
2 p.m.
Yes. Bar is open till 3:30. Water zone is open till 4.
Is the bar open now? Or the
Yes.
cafe?
You will arrive there and somebody will be there.
Okay.
Don't worry. Está Julián, ¿o vas a bajar tú? Al bar. Vale.
Is there a sort of path that you can't sort of stray off? Is it straightforward?
No problem.
Oh,
I mean,
perfect.
it's really easy to find
Okay.
the route. No, it's not necessary to use a map and everything.
Oh, perfect.
Okay? We close water zone at 4. To exit the park, you have to use another route that it's shorter, 30 minutes,
okay.
25 minutes, and it ends just down there in the parking.
Right. Okay.
As I said, no map.
I'm already enjoying it. I'm loving the shade. The goats followed us down. Right there.
There's a sleeping one. There's a sleeping one.
Oh yeah, down there, yeah. That is so cute. Oh my god. Hello.
Hola.
Hello. Hola.
Hola. Why are you shouting hola? Hola.
Because we're in Spain.
Hola. Oh my god, they
They
are
are so
adorable.
cute.
Hola. What are you doing up there? What's your name? ¿Cómo estás?
Welcome.
¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Oh, you're not talking to me now, are you not?
¿Cómo te llamas?
¿Cómo estás? How are you?
The grizzly bear. Just been reading the fun facts about it. It can run up to 55 miles an hour and eats a very big, varied diet. Wow, exciting. They've hidden down in the corner now, so at least we got to have a good look before it hid away. Been looking for a picnic area. Well, only for literally 5 minutes. We found one down here. And that goat's still following us. Look at the stunning scenery. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely beautiful here. Are you upset because we're ignoring you? Oh, I'm just kidding. Hey. Like 6 of the biggest points of the Reserva Park de Nature, Pug de Galazzo, Sacoma, oh, I'm not even going to try and pronounce them, there you go. Which is obviously these ones up here, which are absolutely stunning. Really, really impressed. Getting lots of shade as well, which is very, very welcome this time of year. Look at that. This bird's making a bit of a racket up here. Well, it was. Yeah.
There's more people now. The goat's following them.
There's quite a few goats along there. We thought it was the same one, but there's quite a lot of them now following us. I think we're going to go for a dip in this beautiful looking clean water here. Look at that, man. Beautiful. Wow, look at this. Just look, all them rocks sort of balancing on each other. That's really cool. Wow, amazing. Having a nice time?
Yeah.
Great. Look at that beautiful bridge. I'm really enjoying this today. Karma Paul, Mallorca life. Really, really enjoying this. I think it's a bit of a hidden gem. Not a lot of people know about La Reserva. Been meaning to come for years, so I'm finally here. Here, I can feel it. Wow. That way. Follow the green arrows. You are here. We are here. There we go. You could be the tour guide, you. That's so cool. Wow. Remember, follow the green arrows. Follow the green arrows. Follow the green arrows. Follow the green arrows. So La Sitcha, La Cobanera. People used to live up here, I do believe, years and years ago. Probably hundreds of years ago. There's something over here. Wow, remainders of something that used to be here. That's where we were, just down there. Got a couple of other people following us now. And then we're heading...
Mommy, look at that thing.
Oh. Dogs. They're peeking their little heads out, look. There's one there.
Oh, camouflage.
There's a couple there. You see them? Little eyes peeking out. Oh yeah, that one there. It's about to move. Rabbit, 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 rabbit. We found one. Look at that. Coo, coo, coo. Coo, coo, coo. Coo, coo, coo. Coo, coo, coo. Coo, coo, coo.
You a
Just
strong
sit
one.
with the horns. Go on.
Oh.
It's really beautiful. Such a lovely day. Such a lovely picturesque place. Interesting tree. It sort of goes up and then has like an arm. How? Wow. The moon, look. Out in the middle of the day. Strange. Corkscrew apparently. I know, we'll have a look online. It tells you about the different types of birds you can see. We have to walk through a cave. Well, you know, like a gap through a mountain, shall we call it. Wow. You could easily bang your head if you're not careful. Wow, brilliant. Wow. I wonder if people lived up here. Oh, there's another one of them ponds. They've even put a little bench there. Oh, cool. So now after climbing up for quite some time, we're now starting to climb down. Oop, 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 oop. peacock down there, do believe. Olivio, soy un Olivio. Hello. Hello. Hi. We're here. We don't know where we are, but we're definitely here. There's a bar. And apparently there's somewhere you can have a dip at the bottom and somewhere or other. Let's have a little Captain Cook. Goat there, little baby goat. Oh, another peacock over there. There's one walking there. Oh my God, look at how beautiful that is. Wow. So we've had a lovely day so far. Just been to the bar. Got the girls a couple of slushies. And we had a couple of drinks. It's not super expensive, but it's not super cheap. They do burgers, hot dogs, things like that. We had a packed lunch, so we're alright today. Yeah, just good, and we're going to have a little walk up to the pool area in a minute. So yeah, all good so far. Donkey. My name is Donkey.
Come on, man. Donkey. Come on. Didn't that sound so much like Shrek? Donkey. Donkey.
It's coming.
Donkey, donkey. Come on. Come on, donkey.
I'm doing a video for YouTube. Can you please show me your wonderful... Yeah, show me. Show me. Yeah, you heard. Come on, let's see it. Ba, 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 ba. Ah, it's not going to do, is it? You're very majestic, aren't you? Like, ooh, look at me. Proud peacock. Oh, God. He's not going to show off. So this is the bit we've all been searching for. You can have a dip into the fountain, under the water. So, some changing rooms there. Oh, a couple of showers. Very good. Wow. Just somewhere to cool off. Oh, cool. Really cool. It's got more of a fountain there.
You just see over there.
I want to find out how cold it is. Cheeky monkey. Trying to eat with food, right? And that one is getting on my nerves. Now this one's getting on my nerves. Mia's getting freaked out because it's chasing. How the goats go for? Finally, in all its glory. Come on, yeah, yeah, yeah. The baby one down here. Look at it. Little baby one down there.
Wait, no, that's not important.
The cute one.